Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. So for today we have a quick sneaker unboxing. I just want to kind of show you guys what I've been picking up lately, and of course just give you all the details. If you guys have noticed or have not noticed, I've been buying a few retail pairs recently, and it's all thanks to the sneaker crash, or the sneaker market crash. I guess we can call it that. As soon as I saw the prices were dropping on the pairs that I've had in my wish list for months, well, I started buying a couple and it got a little bit out of control. So today we're gonna be unboxing a pair of Nike Dunks, and yeah, let's just see what we got. As you guys already saw by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low Lisa, which is the color is the Court Purple Clear Emerald Violet Court. These names are so weird. So right here you have the size tag just for a quick review. These are in a size 6 men's, 7.5 women, European 39 I believe. And the box is pretty cool. Also, it has some price tag like on here that not sure if these were at a store or what, but these came directly from Stockx. Initially I placed a bid because I mean I kind of like the color, and then I completely forgot to delete the bid on the app. Oh wait, it's right here, Stockx receipts. So wow, I ended up placing a bid for $100. After tax, processing fees, and shipping, it came out to $131.29, which, if you ask me, this was a steal. Again, I gotta thank the sneaker crash, or the sneaker market crash, you know, for being able to get boy, if I can get Dunks at $130, $150 each pair, I'll be getting a lot of Dunks per month. Just saying that. So I really like the box because it's this cream and orange color. I've never seen that before. Kind of reminds me of the Halloween colors, which soon will be Halloween. But anyway, here we have the sneakers. We're gonna take these out of here, and the paper feels weird, feels kind of like silky. Again, these are from Stockx, and well, we're gonna start to just talk about them because they look a little bit weird. But yeah, they look a little bit weird, but I think it should be fine. Here we have the Stockx tag on the side, of course, and we can just see a quick detail of the sneakers. Again, the color, it's pretty loud in my opinion, and it's one that I wanted to have simply because I don't have anything that's this loud. Like, I like crazy sneakers, but I also like to have my normal, like, subtle sneakers that I can wear with almost everything. So I just wanted to add this one to the collection and see how it goes. Here we have a number 9, which is embroidered to the shoe. Pretty nice. Here we have the back of the shoe, stitching, Nike logo. We do have this kind of like soft leather here on this panel right here, which looks really nice. It looks kind of like a tumble leather, if we want to call it something. And then we have the toe boxes, which, oh my lord, hold on. Let me show you something that I just noticed. I'm gonna have to take the paper out to show you. So first of all, the leather on the toe box is extremely soft, scary soft, which, I mean, a lot of people love soft leather, right? I really don't mind it, but one thing that is a disadvantage with this type of leather is that, of course, your shoe creases so fast, so easy. So yeah, I mean, wear your shoes at the end of the day. Now, on the other shoe, we can see we do have some extra laces. They came with purple and a teal lace color, but the purple ones are kind of like a silk type of lace. They're pretty weird. I don't think I've seen shoes with laces like this one. They're pretty cool, but I'm actually going to be keeping the black laces on. Yeah, I'm going to be, of course, putting some overlay footage of what I'm looking at for you guys to look at the details a little bit better, and allows me to talk about the shoe. But overall, I don't regret having this shoe in my collection at all. I think it's a pretty cool shoe. It does have like a lot of different things going on. The back panel is made of this shiny, puffy cloth material. I will insert, of course, videos for you guys to see. And the stitching on that yellow panel is a teal stitching, which I think it's pretty cool because it kind of helps pop, you know, like the teal colors on it. Also, the stitching on the midsole is purple. I had not noticed that. I just literally saw that. I thought it was a black color, but it's not. It's actually a purple color, so I hope the overlay footage allows you guys to see that stuff. So let me know down below what you guys think of today's pickup. Let me know if you would add this shoe to your collection and if I did a good purchase. I don't know, but regardless, I think I'm gonna be wearing these, so stay tuned to my Instagram. You will see an outfit photo, and most likely 100% you will see a reel made on that platform. So with all of that out of the way, I'm gonna cut it right here, and I will catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Stay tuned. Peace.